guys, I'm very excited for today because we're going to do an erupting volcano. So the materials we need: baking powder, dishwashing liquid, vinegar, red paint, and cup and clay. So the first thing we should do is to mold this clay into a volcano while using this cup. I'm done making the volcano. So the next thing we will do to put the baking powder in the volcano. Pour it slowly. So the next thing we will do is to mix the red paint and vinegar and dishwashing liquid. So I'm going to start with the red paint. Just get a little bit. Pour it in. So now I will mix it. Okay, mix. Ooh, it's turning red. Ooh, like lava. Wow. So this is the most fun part. I'm going to pour this to the volcano. I'm so happy that our volcano looks so real. So you can do this with your friends or family, just with an adult. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.